I wanted to launch a digital product, but I didn't have time to learn web design or the budget to hire a developer or designer. Then I found Landingi. It's a no-code landing page builder that makes it insanely easy to launch clean, high-converting pages, no tech skills needed. They've got over 300 templates, sorted by niche, e-commerce, coaching, digital downloads, you name it. I picked one, dropped in my product image, added a lead capture form, and hooked it up to my email list. The whole thing took under an hour. And if you're on one of their higher plans, you also get pop-up support. Great for growing your list even faster. Landingi also integrates with tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and most CRMs, so everything just flows. If you're trying to launch without the tech overwhelm, I seriously recommend checking out Landingi. I dropped the link in the description, so try it out.